Good afternoon, my name is Alexander with Sparta Roof Pros. Today is July 26th, it's about 90 degrees outside. Today we're doing an attempt to repair on Mrs. Shroud's roof. The damage you're going to see is right here, the wind damaged shingle. Today we'll be using an all-state roof snake, a nail puller, and the shingle hammer. The first step of this process is going to be removing the sealant on the shingles to get the nails out. We'll do this as carefully as possible not to create any damage, okay? So as I do this, granules are flying up at us and flying off of the shingle already. It's probably gonna be a common thing here. All right, so I'm gonna first give you guys a quick overview of our shingle so we can see what it's looking like. We can see the damage before we get to work. So this is the top row. This right here is going to be the damaged shingle. You can see the wind damage at the top there. Moving over, it's our other shingles. It's our first shingle, the top row. Moving over, we have this row as well. So right now the shingles are not too bad before we start the process. And of course, this is the damaged one. All right, here we are. Thank you, sir. We'll go ahead and get our first nails out using a nail puller and a shingle hammer. 2 nails here. So you can already see the granules flying down the roof. As we get these nails out, here's the first one, onto our second nail. Okay, both our nails out. Now we'll give you a quick overview. We're gonna do this every time we take out a nail to show you guys what the shingle is looking like after we simply remove a nail. So you can see the line that's appeared at the top of the shingle all the way across. You can see it starting over on this left side, moving all the way down. You can see it started a deep line. As we continue, this will continue. Moving to our next shingle. It's a very steep roof. It's about a 10 pitch. One nail there. Again, quick overview. What our shingle's looking like. And you can see real deep in that upper right section, that line that's kind of appeared, that deep line that's kind of appeared all the way over here, all the way across. You can see that. There we are. Okay, to our next shingle. Third in that row. Once again. Okay. Quick overview. Once again, you can see the line that's appeared at the top of the shingle, real deep, real obvious, all the way at the top there, all the way across. Okay, moving to our next. Two nails here. One. Second nail out. Okay. Quick overview how the shingle's looking. Again, you can see the real deep line that's appeared at the top of the shingle all the way across. You can see it real deep over here on the upper left of the shingle, then moving all the way across. You can see the line there. right. Might be another one there. Okay, that's gonna be it for that one. Quick overlook of the shingle. Again, you can see that deep line that's appeared at the top of the shingle from the hammer hits. This is just gonna keep happening as we go. One nail. Quick overview. Once again, second to last, you can see it real bad in this upper right side of the shingle, moving all the way across. And then on this shingle, on this upper left side, you can see it real bad as well. Real deep there. Head to our last shingle. Remove the nail here. Okay. All right, so one more overview. You can take a look at how the shingle's looking. Once again, you can see the obvious damage that's now at the top of the shingle just from removing nails. We'll go ahead and get our shingle out now. Replace it with the new one. Now we have to, once again, put the nails back into the shingles. This is gonna cause more hammering and more granule loss. Using a roof snake to ensure that we don't lift the shingles up too much. Forward through this. Trying to keep my balance at the same time, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we started this process with one damaged tab. After doing our replacement of that one shingle, you have additional damage on this tab, this tab, this tab, this tab, top left, middle tab, and our top right tab. So one damaged tab to 7 additional damaged tabs. This is going to be the case on any repair we try to do on this roof, as other repairs have already been done on this roof and shown the same results. You're going to have to say this is a failed repair test. Thank you for your time.